I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and unplugging both the Xbox and TV. This prevents signal noise and lets ports reset. Once done, visually inspect the HDMI cable ends and connectors for bent pins or fraying, because a damaged cable often causes no signal. Next, plug into a different TV HDMI port. Some ports are labeled for ARC or PC and behave differently. Make sure the TV input matches the port you used, and keep the original cable handy for the next step. Now swap in a known good HDMI cable rated HDMI 2, 0 or higher, because bandwidth issues can stop video. Connect the Xbox directly to the TV, avoid AV receivers, soundbars, or splitters that can block the handshake. Once the cable is in, power the TV on first so it advertises supported formats, then power the Xbox. This ordered startup helps the HDMI handshake. If you see no picture, toggle the TV input and press the Xbox power button for 10 seconds to hard reboot the console. If the screen remains blank, boot the Xbox into low-resolution mode to force a compatible signal. This resets display settings and often restores output. Once you have video, check Xbox video settings and set resolution and HDR to match the TV, and update both console and TV firmware to prevent future handshake failures. If nothing works, consider a factory reset after backing up saves. And one key troubleshooting tip: test the Xbox on a different TV to isolate console versus display issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.